Yeah, to empty vessel.
I'll delete this. Delete. Hmm? Then I have this pattern, and then drag this pattern, and then go to this, this, and here, and then you just select this, and then repeat. This is the repeat. Again, you can drag it, drag, and then go to this, select this point, this point, this point. Now you just click this, and then repeat. Now it's filled. Okay. Then another thing that I want you to do, this is square. Let's make a pyramid onto this square, Just delete this. Okay, and then let's make a pyramid. And want to add a point. Add the point, and then set your working plane, and then add the point here, and then set your working plane here, add a point here, and then set a working plane here, and then again working plane set, and then make one parameter. Let's name this parameter h. Okay, and make a value of maybe 500. Let's say 1000. Apply, and then select this point that we have created, and then change this offset into h there, and then another one, this point, and make it into h. You can select this point, control this point, and then make it as h. Now these are all points, the reason why I make it there in this plane is to make this one hosted. If I drag that, this is going together. This is going together. Okay, and then you select this point and this point, and then make it spline through point, and then it's splines, and then this point and this point, then spline through points, and this point and this point, spline, and then this point and this point, spline. Okay, and then you can change this into reference line. Then after that, want you to make a point here and a point there, point here and a point there, Just this is too high. Now make it 500. Okay. I want to make a point here, point there, point here, point there, and point here. Okay, make a point. 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 And then this point. These are hosted. Hosted. You can check the distance of this point na. Beginning 0.5. And then this one also beginning 0.5. It means in the middle. And then also again another point. I want you to create point here and point there. And this is also, this point is also beginning 0.5 and beginning 0.5. This is not segmental. You can change the segmental and change segment length, and you change it into length distance. It's like this. And then another one point that we need to create is in this point. This point. Create a point here and here. Okay, now let's make a pyramid. Make a line, reference line, touch this point and this point, and point here and point there, point here and point there, point here and this point, and then another one line, reference line here and here, or you can make it like this. Select this point and then select this point, and then spline through points, and then this will become spline through points, and change this one into reference line. Okay. Why I have created this triangle and this triangle. We can extrude this one in one direction only going there. There is a reason for this. But first let's check if these are all hosted. Hosted. If I drag it, they are coming together. These are all hosted. I drag it they are all coming together I drag it there, drag it here, and then go and set point grid, and it goes back. Okay. Another one that I want you to make is a line here and line there. Okay. First, make again a reference line here, and here. Also here. I think it's not changed. We'll make it change. Okay. Again, reference line, 3D snapping, and chain. And then here, this point, and this point. Now it's chain now. Okay. Again, I'll do it now. Reference line, chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's check if this is going together. Now it's going together na. It goes together na. Okay. Select grid and back. Why this is like this? The other one point does not touch, no? Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now it's still okay. Now let's make this point 2 points spline through points, no? Spline. Huh? Okay, change this into reference line. Okay, I'll show you why I have created all these things na together. See na, if I will extrude this and here and extrude it there, na, here I am going to make a surface only here, going here, na, and then make form, and then form is created, and then again another one. I want to create a form here, here, and here. Make it void. Void. No? Void. And then here on this one also, and this. Huh? And then create void. Void. You see, if I'm going to change, if I'm going to change my grid, change my grid, you check, I changed my grid 2000. The form is distorted, no? It is distorted. Okay, go back to 1000. Apply. No? If I'm going to change the height, maybe 1000. 1000. Apply. No, form is distorted. No, that's the reason why I have created, and we will make what? Sweep blend. No? Okay. If we're going to make it sweep blend, undo. And also I have forgot to create this form, this triangle. Create another reference line, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you select this. You select this form, and this form. Select this line, this one, and this another one, this reference line, and then create the form. Okay. The other one here, and this one is triangle. And this, huh? And then create a void, huh? And then this, and this line, and this and this one. And then create a void. Yeah. Okay. Now this pyramid. I want to change my grid. Change the grid na. Make it 2000. Apply. Na, the form will go. Na, it's not distorted. Make it 1000. I change the height. Change the height. 1000. Apply. There goes together. 700. Apply. Goes together 7,000. 700. Apply. Okay. And then you need to save this into project. Save. You call this adaptive component. You name it AC. AC adaptive component, and then underscore 4 points. Pattern. Paste. Pattern base, and then pyramid. Okay, option 1. Apply. Save. And these are 4 points. Now, if you will load this into project, load into family, and want you to place it here, delete this form that I have made. Okay, the one that I have loaded, you can also go to components, and the name of that one that is there is AC 4 points pattern based pyramid, and then you can select this here, and here, so it's a pyramid. Okay, and then you just select this, and okay, now you have a pattern pyramid like this.
Flip it.
Okay,
Flip it. Okay.
okay, this is pattern base. What if we want to make adaptive component only, not pattern base? Okay, I'll teach you also to do a pyramid, pyramid adaptive component. Okay, you go to home, and then new, and then English, and then metric generic model adaptive. Open. Okay, now let's create a point. Create a point anywhere here. Okay, and then again create a point, but you need to set your work plane. Create a point. First now you need to make some parameters. One is length, and then 2 is negative offset, negative, and then another one is positive, positive, and then another parameter is height. Okay, okay. And let's give a value for all these things. Let's say our height is 500, and then our length is 1000, and then our negative is 500, and then positive is 500. Okay, apply. Okay, again make another point. Just make a point, but first you need to set your working plane. Set your working plane here and click here. Okay, and then you just click that point that you have selected and change this point offset into length. Okay, length. It goes here. Okay, it's only 1000. If you change the length into maybe 10,000, 10,000, right? It's parametric. Make it 700, 7,000. Apply. Make it 5,000. Apply. It's parametric. Okay, another 4 points that we need to create. But first we need to set our working plane points. Set our working plane and set it here. Here. Select and then place 2 points. 1, 2. Okay, and then another one. Set your working plane here. Here 1, 2. Okay, and then you select this point, and then change this offset associated to our parameter negative. Okay, it goes here, and then okay, you change this negative into negative. I don't want this. Negative. Apply. It goes there. Negative. And then change this offset also into positive. Now, 1 negative, 1 positive. And then this also, change this one, associate it, and make it negative, negative. And then also this, make it positive, positive. Now it's parametric. Change this offset, this one, negative into 1000, negative 1000, and then this one is also 1000. Like now they goes together. Okay, and again we need to create a height h up. Okay, and then huh?
Can I have your charger?
Okay, you can have. Now we need to create another point going up. Another point going up, no? Just again point, and then you need to set your working plane. Now you need to make your working plane horizontal. Working plane, and then one here. Okay, Another one, set working plane, here horizontal, up. Na? Okay. Another one, working plane set it here, and then up. Okay. Another one, set working plane, up. Okay. Then you select this and this one and this one and this, and then change all of this into H. Now it goes up. You can change H into we have placed it 500, let's say 2000. Apply. Now it goes, na? Okay? Okay, we need to create again what? This spline through points. Spline through points. I want to spline here and here. But first na, we need to place this 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to make this one adaptive. Now it is adaptive now. See? I have made a sequence wrong. I want sequence going here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Did it click correct? Click this.
Oh, wrong. I have selected the top one. Okay, this one. 1.
अलग-अलग करना.
Oh, it goes back. Okay, I think the other one points that we have created na, it goes again back. Okay, you just again do that one later on. Delete. Na. Make first all of this adaptive na. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we can create a plane na.
एक-एक करके.
It's taking up na. It's becoming only one because they are hosted. Because they are hosted, na? Okay, let's make another point, set the point, and then you just set it here and click this point. Set, click this point, and then set, and then click this point, and then set, and click this point, and then you just move these 4 points that we have just created up and make it associate to our H. Now up. Now let's check na. I'll drag it, it goes together. Okay, I drag it, it goes together. Undo. Okay, and then we need to make line through points. Line. Okay, and then line through points here and here. Then here and here, line through points. Whites. Okay, and then line through points here and here, and then
रेफरेंस लाइन लेके चारों को ज्वाइन कर दे
okay, and then change this all into reference line,
रेफरेंस लाइन
huh? And then also this top, na? This point and this point, line through points, and this point and this point, line through points. No. And then also here and here, and then this one and this one, and then change all this into reference plane. Okay, and then we need to have this line and this line, point this line and this line, and this point, and then this one and this one, line through points, this point and this point, line through points. Line through points, and then change these all into reference line. Okay, and then we need to place a hosted point here, and hosted point here, hosted point here, and hosted point there. Okay, just point, and then just make a middle, and then it's hosted. If it's small na, it's hosted, and then again another here, hosted, and then another here, okay, and then you can check it if this is hosted na. You can see it there na. Normalize 0.5 here, normalize 0.5, and also there na. Then we need to create our triangle now. This is now you can check it also if this is going together na. If I drag that, it goes together. If I drag it up, goes together. It means to say hosted parametric. If I want to change the length, you can change the length also there. Okay, and then make it now our pyramid. Line, here, 1, 2, and then unchain reference line, uncheck the chain, and then here and here, and then again this point and this point, and then this point and this point. Okay, check if it's yeah, it goes, no? It goes. Okay. Another triangle that we need to place, but first we need to join these 2 points, no? Make a spline through points to this point, no? And then this point to this point, spline, no? And then replace this one into reference line, then again reference line, and then make a chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Or no need to change it. No? I have already a line here on this side. Line, reference line. Here, here, and here. Hmm? Also, line, reference line. Here, here, and on this point. No? And then this one is not reference line. You need to change this one into reference line. This is now my figure. Then need to place also this reference line, this point, and this point. Huh? This point here and this point. Okay? Now let's check. Now it's okay. Let's check it here. Now it's okay. Let's check it there. Now it's okay. No? And then you need to create your form. The same as pyramid that we have done before. This is also the same. No? Okay, you select this line, this line, this line, and this line. And then this line, hold control, this line, and this line. And then you need to create your, this is sweep blend, and then create. Okay? And then also this, and here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then create a void. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then select this line. And then create a void. See, I have created a void. Now let's see if this is parametric. You just change your negative to 2000, and then this positive to 2000. Apply. There goes. You change your height. Make your length na. Wait, this is not good. Let's make your because this is already, it will not go because it will go into pattern now, because this is pattern based. You can change your height na. You can change your height is let's say 1000. The only parametric here is this height, but this 1, 2, 3, and 4 will go into pattern. In pattern, any dimensions that we have going to make it there in a pattern, it will adapt. And then I'll change the height into 2000, like, and then we just what you call this, save, and then AC underscore just pyramid, not a pattern base. 4 point pyramid. This is not a pattern base one. Okay, save. And then you just load this into project, family,
डॉक्टर
वो इसी होगा this options one same.
I want to remove this, and then you go to this family, and then we have created
लोडिंग दुकान
Loading the project.
generic model. That is generic model, no? AC 4 points, no? Just there, 1 2 3 4. It goes back there, na? You can flip this, no? Okay, here. Okay, and then you just select this and
कुछ flip नहीं हुआ. Problem क्यों हो रहा है?
आधे फिर भी नहीं हो रहा कुछ एक दो लगाए थे मुझे एक तो एक फिर पे एक
now then it goes back and back to back, na? Back there and back there. You just only flip the other back, na?
सब तो बेस है
Why is it like this?
It goes back to back, na? Okay, okay, and stop recording.